If you're sick of trying and failing at all of the bogus work from home jobs out there, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 super in-demand business ideas that you can launch now. Yes, as in today, right when this video is over. Virtual administrative. I'm so glad you landed on my channel. My name is Lauren Golden, and I'm the founder of the Free Mama Movement, a community of thousands of mamas just like you. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday to help you start and run a successful freelancing business from home. I see you, stay-at-home mama. You're looking for a side gig and wondering if there are any legitimate work from home options out there that don't require you to join an MLM or answer boring survey questions. Super in-demand business idea number 1, virtual assistants. In case you're not familiar with what a virtual assistant is, or VA, a virtual assistant is kind of like an administrative assistant, except that you can do it from anywhere in the world, like your house, during your kids' nap time. As a virtual assistant, you're going to be doing administrative, organizational, and sometimes marketing tasks for busy entrepreneurs who are starved for your help. You might be doing things like answering emails, dealing with client relations, booking appointments, scheduling. All you need is a computer and Wi-Fi. You can be a virtual assistant from anywhere in the world. Most virtual assistants can expect to make anywhere between $15 and $35 an hour when you're just getting started. And if you need a list of skills that you could offer in your new virtual assistance business, you can head to the link below to get a list of over 70 services that business owners will start paying you for today. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. I was scrolling through Facebook. Sorry about that. In all seriousness, super in-demand job number 2, social media manager. Let's face it, you're already on social media, so you might as well get paid for it. There are a lot of different routes that you could take your social media business. So in order to avoid getting overwhelmed, I recommend doing one of 2 things. The first, only offer scheduling services. This means that you are going to be posting, you will be engaging with people who engage with the brand you're working for, and answering messages. You can do this across different platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even YouTube. On the other hand, if you want to become a social media manager extraordinaire and really be able to charge quite a bit more for becoming an expert in a platform, I suggest picking just 1 or 2 to really understand. Just like it's impossible to know everything, it's impossible to be everywhere at a really high level. Nobody knows everything. Well, maybe mom knows everything. Mom knows everything. Don't tell my kids. Most business owners just need to find the one place where their audience hangs out and be there consistently. So as their social media manager, you can generate content, you can create graphics for them and provide images, and then you can also handle engagement as well. I want to know, what's your favorite social media platform? Where do you like to connect with people? Go ahead in the comment below and let me know your favorite social media channel. The third super in-demand business idea I'm going to share with you today that has 0 startup costs to get started is becoming a Pinterest manager. But Lauren, isn't being a Pinterest manager kind of like being a social media manager? Well, no, not exactly, because Pinterest isn't a social media platform. What? Pinterest is actually a search engine. In fact, it's the 3rd largest search engine in the world, behind Google and YouTube, right here where we're hanging out. So to get started as a Pinterest manager, I recommend diving into the website itself. Pinterest has tons of free resources that are easy to understand. You'll also need to learn a little bit about SEO, or search engine optimization, because remember, Pinterest is a search engine. The next step would be to find your favorite automatic scheduler. Go ahead and download it, get familiar with it, and that way when you get your first client, you can have those pins firing off while you're hanging out with your babies. Now you know 3 ways to make money from home, where you get to be your own boss and have a ton of fun. Now I've created a free training that will tell you even more about how to make money working fewer hours. The link to that training is below. Also, if you want to join a community of mamas just like you, I have a Facebook group where thousands of mamas come together for support and action-taking tips and motivation. If you liked this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your fellow mamas. And comment below with hashtag #IamAFreeMama if this video helped you.